Greetings everyone. Welcome virtual tour of CBIZ Golden State. First stop, the fabulous Los Angeles office. The LA office is conveniently located just a few short minutes walk to the luxurious Century City Mall and just several of the most frustrating miles of your life from the 405 freeway. We'll take a quick look at the office so you can get a feel for what it's like. Mostly seniors and above sit in offices. Everyone else is at a variety of cubes. There's about 75 Seabiscuits in the building. We have audit, tax, litigation, business management, property and casualty, you name it. Most of what we've taken a look at has been on the audit and litigation side of the building, but this back hallway, it actually runs the length of the floor, and we're entering into tax territory now. And I'll tell you that tax actually goes all the way down the rest of this hallway. So rather than just walk down the hallway, I'll stop here so you can see a few other things we have here at the LA office. For example, large conference rooms, smaller conference rooms, and the famous kitchen. 3 fridges, so there's always room for lunch, and 18 billion drink configuration options, including 3 actual coffee machines, one of which is an espresso machine, and everyone's favorite water dispenser. All right, everyone, that concludes our quick look at the LA office. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And from here, we're gonna go to our next immediate neighbor, the Encino office. And for everyone's reference, we park underground.
Hi, welcome to the Encino office. We are located west of Sepulveda and Ventura. My name's Alex, and I'm very sorry you couldn't be here live, but it's okay because I'll still show you around. Here in the Encino office, we focus on tax, with the majority of our clients being in the real estate industry. As you enter the office, you will see to the right that we have a lounging area for our guests. The Encino office is one of our smaller offices, and we have approximately 20 employees in this location. Now let's move on to the conference room. The conference room sits up to 10 people. We have a TV for presentations, and we have a refrigerator for refreshments. And the best part about this space is the amazing view. Now right outside the conference room, we have our reception area where the receptionist sits. Continuing on, these offices are usually open, however since no one's in them, they're closed. To the left, we have all our supplies, which you can basically find anything that you need. We have our printer. To the left, you'll see our filing cabinet. We are paperless, so you'll see that there's not much in there. Next, we have our kitchen. This is personally my favorite spot. This is where you will find me most of the day. This space is amazing. We have snacks, we have fruits, we have coffee, drinks, basically anything that you need. And if you want anything else, you can just write in the suggestion box and we will get it for you. The offices along the wall are for the managers and for the seniors. These 2 cubicles to the left are for the administrative assistants. This cubicle here belongs to me, so it is very special. This area is for all associates, Associates 1 and Associates 2. Our area also has a printer, which this is the printer that we primarily use. And to the right of the printer we have more supplies, we have paper, pens, and more office supplies. Moving on, the rest of the office is basically just more offices and cubicles. This office, like I mentioned before, isn't a big office since we only have approximately 20 employees. Personally, I like the small office feel. I feel like you get to know your coworkers better. And since I've been working here, everyone has been extremely nice. Everyone is very smart. Everyone is very willing to help. So my experience has been great in the Encino office. I did forget to mention that we do have another door to exit the office. This door leads to a hallway, which then leads to the elevators. And that is basically it. Thank you so much for visiting the Encino office, and I really hope to see you guys soon. And I know this is a little different because of COVID, but let's just do the best we can and get through this together. Have a great day, and I hope you have fun at the Irvine office.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Irvine office. My name is Tiffany and I am an experienced tax associate. Let's go ahead and take a seat and talk about the office. Alright, let me give you a quick overview of the Irvine office. There are currently about 30 to 35 people that sit in the Irvine office. We are located across the street from John Wayne Airport and a 10-minute drive to the UC Irvine campus. I love that the Irvine office is surrounded by great restaurants and amazing coffee shops, which are all walking distance or a short drive away. So if you're a foodie like me, you'll definitely enjoy the food options around here. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the office spaces. This is the view out of our office. To the right, you can see the big parking structure. There is plenty of parking, and I personally never had issues finding parking here. Sometimes my coworkers and I would take a break to watch the sunset, and since we're so close to the airport, we would watch airplanes take off and land. This is one of our main conference rooms. We utilize this room for parties, happy hours, baby showers, meetings, and other events. During busy season, you can get a professional massage to relieve some of the stress. This is our kitchen. The fridge is always stocked with a variety of drinks. You would normally see staff, managers, and directors gather here to grab coffee, drinks, or eat lunch together. Alright everyone, thank you so much for letting me show you a little snippet of the Irvine office, and thank you for your interest in the Irvine office. I gotta get back to work, so I'll let Bakersfield take over. Good luck and see ya!
Hey there, welcome to Bakersfield. My name is Tyler, and today I will be giving you a tour of our office. And due to current circumstances, it will be a virtual tour. So come on in, take a seat, and I'll tell you more about our office. Our office is located on the 8th floor of Stockdale Tower. Now that's great because Stockdale Tower is located in central Bakersfield, which means you're really close to a lot of different points of interest. Do you need to go grab some food for lunch? Great, right on down the road. Need to run an errand to the bank? Also great. California Avenue is home to a host of businesses, which means that anything you could really need is within a stone's throw. But enough about where our office is located. Let me go ahead and actually get on with the tour and show you our office itself. Our office is home to about 55 people, and this office is split into two distinct segments. On one half of the building we have our forensic accounting department, and on the other side, our tax and audit department. We are currently in the heart of our tax and audit side of the building, next to our break room. Come on inside and I'll show you more about it. Our break room offers a great experience for people because not only do we have a fridge where you can store any perishable items you may need to bring to work, we also have a small table where you and your coworkers can get together for lunch, eat, shoot the breeze, and just have a good relaxing time in the middle of your day. Now on top of all that, we also have two coolers fully stocked with drinks for you to be able to take at your leisure, and a water cooler should you bring a water bottle from home and need to fill up during the day. Now, if eating in the office is your style, you can always choose to come outside and eat your lunch under some beautiful palm trees right next to our fountain. Either way, you always have options here in Bakersfield. Welcome to our forensic accounting department, where I work. The work that we do in our forensic accounting department primarily consists of civil litigation, which boils down to divorce and business valuation more often than not. Because our cases are so heavily dependent upon court systems though, our schedules can vary wildly compared to tax deadlines. In fact, sometimes we can go as frequently as having a busy season every couple of weeks, or sometimes we may not have a busy season for months. It all just depends on the court system. Now, even though we may work late nights during these busy seasons, one thing that rarely ever happens is us working weekends, because we understand that a good work-life balance is imperative to any accounting professional. This was the key information about our Bakersfield office.
Hey everyone, my name is Alex Bradford and I'm an associate in the downtown San Diego office. I'm going to be showing you guys around here a little bit. Here we see the outside of our building, located right in the heart of downtown. As you see here, as we come into the building on the 21st floor of the Wells Fargo Plaza, it's not a huge office. It's only about 30 people in here. We are all part of the forensic and litigation group. As you can see, we have a pretty good view of Balboa Park and other parts of downtown San Diego. We have one of our kitchens here. It's usually stocked with Diet Cokes and LaCroix and all that good stuff. Good copy room. One of the nice things about the downtown San Diego office is that even though we are in downtown, parking is not a problem because there's a big parking garage downstairs that the firm pays for our spots, so that's a big plus. There's our supply room, and then our larger kitchen, which is also stocked up with snacks, Diet Cokes, waters, LaCroix, the good stuff, coffee maker. You see here we have a snack drawer with the assorted goodies. In our building during non-COVID times, there's a pretty good gym, there's a pretty good deli as well. It's really close to everything in downtown. We have pretty tight-knit group, so we have fun happy hours at least once a month. It's not over Zoom. And thanks guys for checking out our office in downtown San Diego.
Everybody, my name is Cody and welcome to the San Diego office. So the San Diego office is located west of Poway, right off the 15. Super easy to get to. When you are parking here, if you're facing the front of the building, the parking structure is to the left of it. You can just follow signs for employee parking and you will find your way there. Some facts about the San Diego office is that we have about 90 people working in financial services here, and then we have 20 in benefits and insurance. So quite a bit of people, but due to COVID, a lot of us are working from home and we are equally spread out, so no worries there. Some cool things about the San Diego office is that we just moved here this last summer. So everything is brand new, everything looks super nice. One of my favorite additions is the coffee machine, so you can definitely catch me there getting a latte. You'll have to do the same for yourself. Another really nice thing about the San Diego office is we have a gym on the first floor. Honestly, It is gorgeous. However, we can't access it right now, but hopefully soon that will change. We also have food trucks come on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so that can also be a fun addition to your week. Overall, I really like the new office. It is gorgeous, and I can't wait for you to see it.
Alrighty, welcome to the San Diego office. Here's our front door. And say hi to everybody. Alrighty, and we're gonna go to the right. So here on the right, we have the largest conference room to the left, and then to the right, we have a shared space, and this is where you can eat lunch, prepare your food. To the right, we have a brand new coffee machine, fridges, and snacks. Here you can prepare your food and eat it and lounge. Alrighty, and then once we exit, towards the left, here is where benefits and insurance sit. And if you go further down, there will be more space where benefits and insurance is, as well as our marketing, and then IT is also over here on this side. Alrighty, and let's go back around. Back to the front. On the left there, you saw our postage area. Say hi to Marilyn again. Alrighty, back to the front. And on the left side of the building is where financial services sits. Say hi to Bailey. So right here, this is where tax sits, or one area that they sit. Here also we have our supplies, our mailboxes, some offices on the left. And then here, that is also where tax sits. Say hi to Julie. And then here is where audit starts to sit. There are offices on the left and right sides. So these are all cubicles on the right, and then straight ahead we have some workstations as well. And let's go to the left, some more offices to the left and on the right, and some cubicles back here, as well as a very secret coffee area.